Hello and welcome to my Tuesday conference call. I'm Ted Keys, your top freight agent training expert here in Pasadena, California. If you have any questions today after the call, or specifically, are you ready to join our top producing freight sales team? Then give me a call, Ted Keys, on that 626-309-9141. There are three essentials for business success. There are three main essentials for business success. The first essential you require is motivation. The second essential that you require is goals. The third essential that you require is systems. That's it. Every business requires these three essentials for gaining success. Do you have any questions about today's call, or more specifically, are you ready to join our top producing freight sales team? Then give me a call, Ted Keys, on that 626-309-9141. Thank you for joining me today on my Tuesday conference call. Again, I'll take care. God bless. I'll see you all again next week, same time. Take care, God bless, and goodbye.